Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenny, and today guys I'm going to be doing a spring break vlog and stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing during my spring break and all that good stuff. And yeah, so I was going to start this vlog early this morning, but I decided I didn't because I was babysitting. As you can see. Say hi. She's so silly. But I was babysitting and it was hard for me to do stuff I need to do. So tomorrow I'm going to be remodeling my room, and I'm going to show you how it looks before and I'm going to show you the after. And then I'm getting started off my homework because I know I have a lot of homework during the spring break. I have essays that's due in 2 more weeks, and I have Spanish test to do, so I got a lot of Spanish stuff I need to do. So yeah, so I just wanted to do this intro right now because I know tomorrow morning I was going to be a little tired to do it and all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you how my room looks now, and then after that, use the new remote. I don't know what I said, but what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Why?
Why what? Why what? And she's gone. So yeah, I'm literally on the floor. So guys, I'm gonna show you how my room looks the before, and then I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be remodeled and stuff like that. So yay. So she wanted me to hold her, so yeah. He say hi. Mwah. Say have a good night.
Hello.
Say night night. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Night night. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and it is Friday, March 9th, and it's like 11:50. So in today's vlog, guys, I'm gonna be remodeling my room and all that. So I did an intro yesterday because I was babysitting, so I did late yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys the before and after and all that good stuff. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm going to show you how it looks at the end. Alright guys, this is me moving my bed around and everything. Like the dresser stayed there, the bed got pushed off more, and then this is gonna be right here. So it was hard moving this big bed. It was really hard. So now I'm about to do, I'm about to change the curtains, and then fix the bed, and then fix my desk area because I have a lot of different stuff I want to put up next to it and stuff like that. And then I need to mop the floor, and then broom, and then organize everything. So this is what it looks like. It gives my room much more space than you think. So I'm excited for it and all that good stuff. So let's continue. Guys, here's the process of it. It's not done yet, but there's gonna be a mirror right here, and I need to go get more stuff, but this is what I got so far. So I will show you the process after I'm done with everything.
dance.